ready to unlock a new level of online freedom and privacy on your Ubuntu machine. Let's dive straight into how to configure proxy settings in Ubuntu, empowering you to browse anonymously and bypass restrictions in under 2 minutes. First, click on the System menu in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a Power or Settings icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Ubuntu Settings window. In the Settings window, navigate to the Network section. It's usually located in the left-hand sidebar. Now, beside your connected network, you will see a cog-shaped settings icon. Click it to access your network settings. In the network settings, locate the proxy settings, usually located in the Identity tab. Select either manual to enter your proxy details or automatic if you have an automatic configuration URL. If you are running a manual configuration, enter the proxy server address and port number for HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS. If applicable, be sure to get these details from your proxy provider. After entering the details, click Apply or Close to save your new proxy settings. Congratulations! You've successfully configured a proxy on Ubuntu. Remember that some applications might require their own separate proxy configuration, so be sure to check their individual settings if needed. Like and subscribe for more Ubuntu tips and tricks.